welcome to another episode of Hikes and Bikes. It's been 2 months since I've been on my road bike and about 5 weeks since I've been on my mountain bike. So my fitness levels have really dropped off.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to go on a 65km ride through parts of Nottinghamshire and into Leicestershire. Now, when I was planning this ride, I wanted to take in the villages of Hoton, Hobie and Hose, so I could make this a Christmas ho-ho-ho ride. Yeah, I know, sorry about that, it was a bit contrived, but anyhow, I thought it was a good idea at the time. And if you think that's bad, I actually got the idea for the ride from watching a YouTube video on Anglo-Saxon boundary shrines by a guy called Bob Trubshaw, who was describing these heel-shaped hills in the local area called Hoes, and on these these hills were shrines where travellers would make their offerings to the local deities. Anyhow, despite all that, this is a lovely ride and hopefully you'll enjoy the video, so come along, grab a mince pie, cup of tea and enjoy the ride. Right, so the possible first location of a boundary shrine is found in the village of Weissol.
Is that a heel-shaped hill? I don't know, it doesn't look a significant hill now, does it? Well, I guess from this angle it is on a hill. And that's even further down the hill, so yeah, it could be. There we go, going to turn left down here, Rempstone Lane. Bit of mud on the road. So we're just about to go from Nottinghamshire into Leicestershire now, crossing the border. There we go. Right, we're going into Hoton now. So can we see where this heel-shaped hill is? Is it what we're on now? Well, it's a hill. I can attest to that. So that's a hill we've just come up. And there's that church on the hill, so it's possible there was a shrine on there back in the day before the church was built, and it is on the boundary between Leicestershire and Nottinghamshire, so yeah, who knows. Right, on to the third one now, and that's a bit of a cycleway. Now we're going to go to Hobie in Leicestershire, so let's get off this busy road. This is the A60, really busy road now. Ooh, what's that? What's this building? Just a quick look at this building. Wow, look at these old timber frame buildings in Hoton. There's another one over the road there. Stunning. Oh, got a lovely bit of smooth tarmac. You can tell we're in Leicestershire now. This is another lovely village. Been through here many times on my bike before. Nice pub here on the left. The windmill. We're on narrow lane at the moment. Head towards Ragdale. I just got the finger then, got flicked off. So I'm quite high up now. That's actually cracking views up here. Right, Ragdale now. Oh, these roads are a bit greasy. Done a bit of walking around here before now, it's lovely. let's go to heads for Hoby now, which is about a mile or so away, or a couple of miles away, right?
And if you could hit that like, subscribe and notification bell, I'd be really, really grateful. Thank you very much.
Absolutely amazing. Hopefully you can see some of this on the camera.
So I really enjoyed this part of the ride, going from Ragdale to Hoby. You get some absolutely amazing views of Leicestershire. So we're entering Hoby now, which must mean settlement or farmstead by the heel-shaped hill, and the suffix "by" indicates a Danish or Viking settlement.
This is another picturesque Leicestershire village. I'm not sure I actually have to go this far into the village really, but I'll show you anyhow, because it's really lovely. I can always turn back. It's a nice pub on the corner around here. Look at these buildings, amazing. 1879, that was a year of Roehoe Striff, wasn't it? 1879, here we are. The blue bell. Yeah, we didn't really need to come this far down. We should have turned off back there, but I thought I'd have a little cycle through the village because it's such a picturesque village. Look at that building there. Cracking. So we're heading to the next one now on the list, which is Hose. I think I should get paid for the Leicestershire Tourist Board. I'm always big in Leicestershire up, even though I live in Nottinghamshire. Look at these views. Absolutely amazing. I love this track.
So just before I got into Kettleby, I looked up and saw these red kites circling, so I just had to stop and admire them for a minute.
Oh, I feel lucky to see them. These Leicestershire villages, absolutely really picturesque. Right, 606. There's a quick left and a quick right. We're not going to be on here for long. Yep. So we're just heading north again, and then we'll turn off on the right in a minute. I'm just going to do a little detour to a place called Holwell, which is another picturesque tucked away village in the heart of the Leicestershire countryside. Again, more great views here on these lovely little lanes. The sun's starting to go a bit golden, isn't it? As we just coming into Holwell. Shame there's no pub or a cafe. Got the church on the left. Oh, is that schoolhouse? Hi, all right. Thanks. Look at these buildings. Wow. Right, we're just above the we're on Clawson Lane, just above the Vale of Belvoir. Vale of Belvoir to my left, heading towards Hose. Right, so according to Trubshaw, these are the hills, these heel-shaped hills that Hose gets its name from, and they're covered in farms now, so that must be one of them over there. It's been a great ride though so far. So there's the church at Hose. Long Clawson now. through Hickling now. Oh, that looks Christmassy. Oh, we're just going through Kinoulton now, which means we've got Kinoulton Hill to finish off with. There you go, Kinoulton Hill. Short but brutal. Right, we've just come from Kinoulton and we're just going over the A46, the Foss Way, and we're just heading towards those woods there. They're called Roehoe Woods, which according to Bob Trubshort means a hill by the Border Hill. Let's see what we can see. I'm hoping we can cycle down that way. It's starting to lose light rapidly now. I'm not too far from home, but I want to get a shift on now. It's getting dark. Well, I think this is more of a gravel track, but hopefully my tyres can hold out. I don't want to get a puncture in these woods, so I'm just cycling next to the northbound carriage of the A46, the old Foss Way, the Roman road. So would there have been a shrine for travellers back in Saxon times to make some offering in these woods on this hill? So we just got a bit of elevation on the A46, the Foss Way. So it is a hill. I mean, not massive hills around here. I mean, you can see it's on a hill, and these, like I said, these hills aren't massive, but you know, if you were going on the 46, the old Foss Way, and you know, this was a boundary, you know, I guess it would have stood out. You would have had to make your offering before you carried on travelling. Right, I'm nearly home now, so thank you very much if you've watched so far. But there's just one more thing I want to show you. If you just see that hill over there, where are we? There, that hill over there is actually called Hoe Hill. So, is that another one of the boundary shrine hills, the heel-shaped hills? Who knows? I bet you can't contain your excitement, can you? Does that actually mean hill? Is that a double tautology? Right, it's getting really dark now, so thank you very much for watching, if you watched it so far, and please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next time.